For this video, I want to do a quick demonstration of playing a Super Nintendo game that everyone might recognize. So I'm going to, real quickly, I'm going to move my HUD to the top so that it's out of the way. Ignore that screen. Okay, so now I've got my indicators up here. Now I'm going to jump down to something simple. Super Mario World, here we go. I'm going to go ahead and pick that using the right button. Okay, that's just going to load. That is showing the launch menu for the emulator for RetroArch. Okay, here we go. Got some sound. I'm just going to jump right in. This is the start button, select button. Going to go ahead and pick this one player. Okay. Alright. It's going to make me watch this. I'm going to turn the sound up just a little. To change volume, you hold start. Use right to go up and left to go down. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and pick Yoshi's Island 1. And here we go. Dragon coin. There's a giant bullet pill. Grab that. Okay, walk under the giant bullet bill. Just going to ignore that guy. Alright, there we go. Oop, missed that guy. There we go. That'll go into my spare. Which I think you use R and L, or no, select. Okay. And you can spin with one of these. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Not saying I'm good at this game, I just generally know how to play it. Nice. Halfway through. I think there's a one up here. Nice. I think that is a fire flower. Yeah. Ooh, there we go. I learned recently that you can use the fireballs to take out the Koopa bosses, or the Koopa kids. You hit them with 2 fireballs, and then you jump on them for the last hit, and that kills them. Okay, I'm afraid. Yeah, so you actually don't have to jump on them 3 times, or whatever it is. You just hit them with 2 fireballs and jump on their head. I'm going to move that HUD down so that it's not covering the top there. Cool. Alright, that was a good demo. Alright, thanks for watching.